Hi, my name is Amadeo, and we're here today to talk about the Stericup E filtration system, how it works, and which bottles are compatible with which formats. The Stericup E and Steritop E systems are funnelless filter products for use in the sterile vacuum filtration of tissue culture media and buffers. Eliminating the funnel has greatly reduced the plastic content of the system. Beyond improved sustainability, the smaller device results in a significantly reduced footprint, both in storage and biohazard waste disposal. In addition, all packaging utilizes 100% recycling-compatible materials. The devices are offered in two formats, permitting direct attachment to most commercially available media and buffer bottles. The larger, 45mm size, is compatible with the unique Gibco design and attaches like this. The smaller 38mm connector attaches to most other major commercial media bottles and attaches like this. To prepare and filter media, first add all additional components to your base media bottle prior to filtration. If using the Steritop E device, remove lid from the base of the device, then screw the filter into the top of a glass bottle with a 45mm neck size. Attach the Stericup E to the media bottle using the domed collar coupling. Screw to tighten the connection. Invert the assembly and attach one end of the vacuum tubing to the system and the other end to a vacuum source. Apply vacuum until filtration is complete. Although filtration can be done hands-free for some media, you may need to support the system for some media bottles. Turn off the vacuum and remove tubing. Then unscrew the filter delivery bottle assembly from the receiver bottle. For the Steritop E system, unscrew the collar from the bottle until it can be lifted off. For the Stericup E system, screw the cap onto the receiver bottle until it clicks into a sealed position. For the Steritop E system, screw appropriate cap onto bottle. Disassemble the delivery bottle filter coupling. Depending on the nature of the solutions filtered, the delivery bottle may be rinsed and recycled. The filter cannot be recycled. And for reference, here is a list of compatible brands with the 38mm and the 45mm filters. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you have any additional questions, please leave them in the comments section below.